So in this session I'm going to explain in Excel we do have a column that has a list of numbers, and we would like to find the max value in that column. So in that case there is a function named max. That function would be helpful to find out the max value in that column. Alright, so for this already I have keyed in all the content, like 3 columns are there. The one list out the numbers, S number, and description, it does have the content, and then the amount, it does have the numerical values. Alright, so in this amount column I would like to find out the maximum value in this amount column. So how do I do? Using the function. So there is a function named max. So for this you need just place the cursor on the cell that has to display the result. Alright, so I keep it here. Alright, I just place the cursor on this, you can see, and I key in equal and then max. You can see the function max that's been listed out. After that you key in open parenthesis, right, and we need to select what are all the rows that should be considered to find out the maximum value. So I select the first row, and then underneath I need to select all the rows. So I key in shift with down arrow key. So after selecting the rows, then key in the close parenthesis, right, and then when I hit the enter key, I will get to know the maximum value in the amount column. Alright, see, it shows 9, so that is the maximum value in this amount column, right? So you can see the 9 in the 7th row, right? So if I make any changes to the third column, like 12, okay, then that would be considered as a maximum value, and that would be displayed in the result. So I make changes. See, now you can see 12, right? Fine. So in this session we got to know a function named max that helps us to find out the maximum value in a column in Excel. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.